Hey, good morning everyone. We are here at Rocky Neck State Park. This is one of the 2021 Sky's the Limit Hiking Challenge. We're going to go and check out the park over in here. We're going to take some of the photos for Sky's the Limit Hiking Challenge. So here we go. Okay, we're walking along the White Trail right next to Bride Brook over here. One of the photo locations that you have to do for the Sky's the Limit Hiking Challenge. Heading back towards the start. Okay, we're almost back from the Rocky Neck hike that we did. We took a number of pictures for the Sky's the Limit Hiking Challenge. But if you're into these types of things, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. And we will see you again next time.